I gonna need wings to catch we up, cause I'm way up. We up.
Last week on ZABZ TV. Me broke me fucking bat back 1 week later. I am lying now.
You know, my friend, listen. Popcorn is about to perform inside Club ZABZ TV. I don't want you to let Batman know Spider-Man inside here. Do you hear me?
None of them can pass me. Me is a thunderpuss.
Good job, my friend. Cat power. Next time wear some blood-clad pants, my friend, in your big blue brief.
What?
Big up everybody in the party. I don't know say popcorn I come pop down in a later. Go and enjoy yourself.
We are gonna fuck up a party tonight, you just watch. Tonight me feel I spend some cash.
Hey gang, missy like missy one duppy in the bathroom.
Duppy, me feel I'm not that duppy.
Velma, Daphne, come with me.
Me can come too.
Scooby, you and Shaggy stay here, sir. We soon come.
Hey, you think I know me want a threesome with you, no?
Jinkies.
Fling the jars away, fuck her away. Fling the jars away, fuck her away. Just like a mango.
You usually feel like a fuck, then go fuck.
Zoinks.
Born winner. If I know the bank, I pussy my gun in.
Stop right there. A $40 figure in.
Yo, my youth, you see how we are the DJ for the night.
What? Which bumbleclad DJ? Me no know who no.
Yo, dog, hold my laptop. Oh, the pussy card for out of the way.
What? How are you to lick me? Alright.
Thunderpuss!
What? Give me back me pussy clad so dirty boy. What? Look like I kill you, come here to kill me. So the performance. Come in.
Oh, my youth, you're disgusting. Just what the whole is.
What?
Anyway, them try start it. Swear to God, I don't care if you're
What? Look like me I gonna need some help to fight the dirty boy.
Thunderpuss!
We no miss now. Pussy them a lightweight in a couple feather. Murderer different from troublemaker.
I won't know that so long.
I said we just have to beat the shit out of the bone sign of the big blue brief.
You know how long me here waiting for you? Where you been, fucking junker?
Traffic.
How your hands are cold. Alright, the DJ them there, a party time.
What? How are them gone? I hope nobody no see that.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Yo, my youth, I you must just get some bitch lick. What? Nobody no lick me. I drop me drop. Them drops on licking at your ass. But I drop your drop. Excuse me. What? You not go in. Them say me no feel let you in. Yo, my youth, leg off of me chair. Pick out of my cat chair. You no hear me say you not go in.
I'm here to save you, Batty, my daddy. Ouch. Leave Batty, my daddy alone, lion-o.
Robin, it's not me, it's your fucking papa. You a jacket. How are you a going at that the green brief? It's a blue brief, man, the girl them want.
Fuck you, lion-o. It's a green brief, man, the gal them want. Right, Batty, my daddy?
Kupampa tacos kecklebo brief. So the formans, tell me if this boy is a jacket beyond jacket.
Him is not Batman picking you.
Him is not a jacket, him is a trench coat. The two are on the left from both.
My daddy, my daddy.
You fucking chair malfunction. It's a malfunction. Robin!
I'll save you, Batty, my daddy.
Target locked.
What?
And now coming on stage, the one and only Popcaan.
She a bad man, Popcaan are the only man she want. The only man.
Yo, Domino, come over here so come wine for me.
Our man says she very special, yeah, very special.
He look like them gone. What? Robin, leg off of me pussy clutch here.
I'll fix it, Batty, my daddy.
Popcaan man, stop wine up on me girl.
Why?
Because I'm my girl.
Why?
Because she belong to me.
Why?
Because I want man she want.
Popcaan are the only man she want. The only man she want.
Already, Mama God. Hey, girl, which one are we brief sexier? The green brief or the blue brief?
Ouch!
Get away from me, fucking set of junk.
Damn it, don't move.
Yo, popcorn power. I'll save you, Betty, my daddy. I want to look some fitty. Wait, wheelchair. Oh, wheelchair.
Robin, move it.
Ouch!
They must keep it here.
Betty, my daddy. Leave Betty, my daddy alone, Teeth Spider-Man. And where did that fucking idiot come from?
Robin, kick him in the face.
Ouch! It's not no fool na fat. Hey! I'll get you cheer, Betty, my daddy.
Wait there, me bad fix. Me bad fix. Hey, Mama, now them broke me fucking bat foot.
Oh, my baby, alright?
We don't gonna make popcorn a pop up wine by over.
That's why you have to stop watch my front, cause you always hurt yourself. Come, make me go take care of your sore foot.
Me not a sore foot.
Popcorn are the only man she want.